Oh, let's see if he goes to the other one.
Yeah. I'm recording. عم بسجل. أيوة حط عينه عليها.
Maybe he jumps from there.
Oh, يمكن.
Huh? Ah! Ah! No!
ولا بهمه. Rotating cans ولا بطيخ.
No, the first one was rotating enough, but the second and third didn't rotate enough because you see how they are.
بالنص.
Yeah.
They're holding each other.
Shit.
ما نعرف. شو بسوي بدنا؟
So let's take it and change it so that it's rotating.
فكرك بتفرق؟
Huh?
It won't matter.
Yeah.
لا. لأنه they run across it before it starts.
Here's the solution. I know the solution.
شو الحل؟
We need one more.
كمان تنكة؟
Yeah. Because if we put 1, 2, 3, 4 bird feeders in a very small area, 5, and put the last one. So he has no place to stand there.
مظبوط. طيب.
Look at him. He's cute.
شو كيته.
ولا.
روح خوفه.
That's enough.
بكفيه. شوف كيف بنعف